Designing a cozy bedroom starts with smart planning, from bed placement, finishes, to layered lighting. In this video, we'll show you how to create a warm, well-designed space using one of our latest visual projects. Now, we're working on Satya's space with a Japandi interior style. This is our 53rd project in the 100 Interiors Challenge, covering the master's bedroom and 2 bedrooms. Every cozy bedroom starts with the right layout. The bed is your anchor. It sets the tone, flow, and balance of the space. The better approach? You can center your bed on a solid wall where it becomes the focal point of the room. Make sure there's balanced space on both sides for nightstands and clear walkways. This not only improves circulation, but also creates a more relaxing and functional layout, just like we did in all 3 bedrooms of this home. Once the layout is clear, it's time to make the room work for you. From floor to ceiling, this cozy bedroom blends warm finishes, space-saving furniture, layered lighting, and soft decor, all working together to create a restful, cozy Japandi atmosphere. To make your master bedroom feel cozy, it all starts from the top. The ceiling is kept clean and white, with subtle cove details and recessed pin lights that give off a soft, calming glow. For the base, you can choose a light wood flooring instantly adds warmth and a natural feel to the room. Then the off-white walls serve as a neutral backdrop, enhanced with a soft mustard curved accent that brings a grounded, calming effect. Also, you can layered vertical wood slats and a concrete textured finish for added depth and contrast. So now, the bed is placed at the center of the main wall, just as planned in the layout, with the sleeping area designed to feel calm and comforting. A padded bed frame brings softness, while earthy tones in the bedding, pillows, and textures, like the area rug and natural blinds, make the space feel warm and restful. So, it's not just your sleeping area, it's a restful space. A built-in wardrobe is designed to look clean and intentional, an essential feature in creating a cozy atmosphere. Then beside the bed, you can add floating nightstands on the right side and a 2-drawer nightstand on the opposite side. Beside the window, you can add vanity nook. The floating desk keeps the space open and airy, but paired with a ribbed ottoman, warm wood finishes, and a softly curved mirror that reflects natural light beautifully. This side of the room also combines comfort and function. A floating console under the TV maintains a clean look, while a soft green accent chair with a cozy throw and sheer layered with drapes curtain creates a quiet corner to relax, a perfect blend of comfort and style. Then, a decor items ties everything together with soft, thoughtful touches. Throughout the room, layered lighting brings everything together, from LED strip lights integrates on the shelves to the gentle glow of a floor lamp. Each light source adds a layer of warmth, making your room feel soft, cozy, and welcoming at any time of day with a Japandi style. So, if you're dreaming of a bedroom that feels calm and inviting every single day, thoughtful layout and design choices make all the difference. This bedroom keeps a clean and simple look, starting with the ceiling, which features recessed pin light. Then, light wood flooring matches the master bedroom, bringing warmth and consistency, while the walls are painted in an off-white shade, softened by a curved warm-toned accent that adds depth and comfort. Now at the center of the sleeping area is an upholstered bed with rounded edges, neutral bedding, and cozy accent pillows, making it feel soft and welcoming. On one side, you can add a minimalist nightstands, offer function without crowding the space. The cozy atmosphere of this Japandi interior bedroom is enhanced by layers of soft textures, like the round rug, sheer curtains, and wooden blinds, all helping to create a peaceful space. Then, in one corner, you can add a small study area with floating desk, pair with a comfy upholstered chair, ideal for quiet tasks or getting ready. Next on the opposite side, a built-in wardrobe with open shelves in a soft matte finish and clean lines keeps the room neat and clutter-free. and the decors are minimal but thoughtful that complete the cozy vibe. Lastly, layered lighting adds to the atmosphere, with adjustable desk lamp giving focused warmth. So now, designing a cozy bedroom isn't just about style, it's about creating a space that truly feels like yours. For this Satya's bedroom, the ceiling, walls, and flooring all share the same finish like the other bedrooms, creating a clean and seamless look. But to enhance the coziness, a wood panel headboard can be added, recommended to maintain a calm and relaxing mood. The sleeping area features a platform bed with enough space on both sides, and can be bought for around $250. You can style it with layered pillows for extra comfort, and place minimalist nightstands on each side. A soft area rug grounds the bed, while layered textures like sheer curtains paired with thick blackout drapes make the room feel cozy and restful. The bed isn't placed fully at the center, making room on one side for a built-in wardrobe. This setup provides generous storage while keeping the look neat and uncluttered. On the opposite side, you can add your study area with a floating desk and an armless chair. Then beside it, a full-height cabinets with wood accents provide more storage while keeping the look clean. As you enter the bedroom, the hallway feature a bench and an oval mirror. The natural wood finish and the soft glow of a backlit mirror give this entry area a welcoming feel. Next, keep decorations minimal to maintain a peaceful atmosphere while still feeling inviting. And for the final touch, use thoughtful lighting, like a moon lamp and mushroom-style dome lamps, to bring a soft, personal feel to the room. So now, a cozy bedroom isn't just about how it looks. It's about how every detail helps you relax. Now you've seen how cozy meets functional. It's your turn to create your own restful retreat. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. Unlike other 3D artists charging $50 to $150 per room, we offer 3 spaces, 2 revisions, 15 to 20 photo renders, and a walkthrough for just $99. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe.